The most important thing of any movie or film is the script. And the same is true with the newscast. You want to make sure that those writing for the newscast know how to write and know the important information that they need to talk about. According to the document that you saw for student roles, there's going to be several people writing the script, from the reporters to the field reporters, and then to the eventual script writer who takes all that information and makes it into one thing. You really can't film or do anything until the script is written. Make sure the people you have in charge of writing the script know who to talk to and what questions to ask. I would suggest talking to several people on a weekly basis. This includes the principal, the secretary, and even the janitor, because we all know that those three run the school anyway. Have a scheduled time that they are allowed to interview them on a weekly basis so that they know exactly when they're going to come in so that they can set that time aside. Make sure your reporters come ready with questions to ask so that they don't take up a lot of their time. They should probably have several questions that they ask every time just so the people that they're asking are prepared. I would ask, are there any school assemblies, any activities, any holidays and celebrations that are coming up? This is also a great time for them to ask if there's any school rules that they need to focus on, or if there's any community events that are coming up as well. This is also a great time for your field reporters to go out and get interviews with students at recess or at lunch, or with other teachers. I would keep in mind that you probably want to talk to the PTA and other parent organizations about different activities and things that are coming up in the school. One of the most important things for your reporters to remember is to write down dates and times of when these different events are happening so that they can tell them to the school.